Welcome back. You are looking at the interface of the animated video creator called My Simple Show. It's fairly new relative to some of the others that are on the market. And we've said that for the most part, the animated video creators are primarily the same. However, My Simple Show is different in some ways that are significant. Now you'll notice that when we start the project, and we're going to go ahead and just write in a project name here. And what you're going to notice is that what My Simple Show asks you for is either your script or your PowerPoint file. And if you have a PowerPoint file, what you can do is you can actually upload that PowerPoint file as it is to My Simple Show. So we're going to go ahead and add a PowerPoint file to My Simple Show. When we do that, My Simple Show will start the processing. Then it will give you a wizard. We're going to click Let's Start. What you're going to notice is that the video creator has actually taken your slides and it has turned it into a script of sorts. And so you can actually use your script and upload it directly to the video creator and have some of the process already started for you. Now you can actually change some of the words in your script at a specific point, but what you have is your script already inside of the video creator and it's already ready to go. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to go to the next step because that's the most important part. And we're going to click the Choose Visual button. And so the software will actually do a calculation and then it'll actually look for images for you. So we're going to click That Sounds Great here. Now My Simple Show is a cloud-based operation. So this software actually operates in the cloud and you are going to have an account if you choose to use this video creator. But what it does is it actually gives you part of the process which is already done for you. And you're going to notice that it actually has taken your script and it has started the process for you by putting some images in there. And if you've already gathered your images, this is going to be helpful to you because you can actually go inside of each image and we're going to take just a minute so that you can see what happens. Now what we can do is we can change this image to text. We can change this image to one that we have on our hard drive, or we can change this image to something that we have used before. And we can actually change this image to something that is part of the inventory inside of My Simple Show. Okay, now we can actually close out this part. We can go back and we can make something different into a keyword, or we can use an existing keyword. So basically what My Simple Show does is it actually puts images onto the canvas for you and it gives you the opportunity to work with a canvas that is already done for you. And of course, once you've gone through this and you have laid out all of your images, what you can do is you can actually choose specific audio for your video. Now, of course, what you could do is you could actually use the voice. It's a robotic voice inside of My Simple Show. We would not do that, of course. What we would do is we would add in our own voiceover. But like all of the other video creators, you can record your audio using your script and reading it or narrating it. And then you can also upload an audio that is already done, as well as adding in some music if you choose not to use a voiceover at all. Now the current pricing at My Simple Show is a little more expensive than some of the others, as you can see, depending on when you are seeing this video. Of course, you would want to remove the watermark, and so this is the area that you would be looking at in order to do your business videos. What you're paying for here is you're paying for a little more convenience in terms of the process. But again, what matters is how much you're going to use this and whether or not this is going to be part of your business to produce these kinds of videos. The additional payment on a monthly basis is really saving you time and maybe even saving you from having to get an outsourcer to do some of the work. Okay, so that is the My Simple Show website and video creator, and as we've said, it is a little different and can help you depending on how you want to create your videos. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.